Welcome to BestusefulTips. In this video, I will show you when you will get Samsung S series One UI 7 Android 15 beta update on your Samsung S24, S24 Ultra, S24 Plus and S24 series. First up, open the Members app on your Samsung device. Tap the Members app. Now here at the top here you can find the One UI 7 beta screen if available update on your Samsung S24 series. So you can check here to if available One UI 7 beta on your S24 series. If not available, you need to wait until official Samsung release this update. Let's see official Samsung chat support. In today we chat with the Samsung support team. Here you can see the chat with the Samsung support team. They will explain me when will the Samsung S series get the update about One UI 7 Android 15 beta. Here you can find the details about it. Here you can see the Samsung support. The Galaxy S24 series beta UI 7 update is expected to be released on December 16th. We will receive a notification on the Samsung Members app for UI 7 beta registration. So you need to wait until 16 December for S24 series in India. So please keep in touch with us to get the latest update about Samsung A series One UI 7. That's it. If you like it, share it.